from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get business capital, business funding for your small business or a medium-sized business. I did a video about National Business Capital about a month and a half ago, I think it was, and we got quite a few approvals because we're a partner, strategic partner with them, and we were able to get quite a few approvals. But for those that didn't see that video, that's why I'm making this video. And maybe also, if you did apply, maybe you can learn some more data points on this video and hopefully improve your situation on the personal credit side so you can get approved the next time around. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before I do, if you could please hit that subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. So like I said, it's National Business Capital. I have a couple others that I'm working with that I haven't made videos about, and I will put those out here very soon. But for this video, it's about National Business Capital. They work with over 75 different lenders. They're kind of like a fintech business lending company. So like I said, they're not working with like, say, Chase or typical banks. They're working with actual business to business lenders, and the requirements aren't as strict. So like if you went into, say, Chase or Bank of America, the requirements for a business loan, you're going to need to be in business for 2 or 3 years, have business tax returns, have really good personal credit. There's going to be a lot of requirements involved, profit and loss statements and all that. With them, they don't require that. So let me just get into the most popular product with National Business Capital is the business line of credit. Okay. And let me pull up the data points as well, just so you guys know. So if you compare it to, say, the banks or direct lenders, they're going to require 2 to 3 months, of business tax returns, and 2 to 3 years of 2 to 3 years of tax returns and 2 to 3 years of financials, your business profit and loss sheets. And then it's not quick either by any means. That's a traditional bank. And you're only dealing with that one lender, and you're going to get a hard pull on your personal credit as well, and it can take, weeks or months. It's not quick at all. And there's going to be collateral requirements, and you have to be profitable for the last 2 years for traditional banks. And you're going to need to be at 680 or higher FICO score. It's going to give you a hard pull. Now with National Business Capital, they require 3 months bank statements. So 3 months of your business bank statements. No tax returns are required. And it's a 1-page DocuSign quick application after they match you with a lender. And they're not going to match you with a lender unless they're pretty sure that they can get you approved. They work with over 75 fintech banks. I shouldn't even say banks. I should say business lenders. You do have a personal advisor assigned to your case or your account. And approval process can take only a few hours or a couple of days. Funding speed could happen the same day or a couple of days. It's not going to be weeks like, traditional banks. Collateral requirements is not always necessary. And the business profitability is not always necessary too. There is no minimum FICO score per se, but from the data points I got from my rep over there, you really want to have at least a 600 or higher FICO score with no recent derogatories. And they only do a soft pull initially. So you're only going to get the hard pull once you get the loan offer. Okay. The application is self-explanatory. I'll show that to you real quick. You're just going to put in your first name, last name, your business name, mobile number, business phone number, email address, industry type, and the amount that you're requesting. They do loans as low as $10,000, I believe, and if I'm not mistaken, they go up to like $250,000. But what's nice about the business line of credit is whatever lender they're going to, business to business lender they're going to match you with, say they give you a $50,000 line of credit. You don't have to take that all at one time. You can just say, give me a $10,000 draw or a $15,000 draw, and then that's what you're going to be making payments on. So that's basically kind of how it works. Like I said, there's no minimum credit score required. They do want to see you more than anything to have 6 months in business per se. Maybe if you're at 5.5 months, you could still be approved. And they want to see at least $10,000 a month in gross revenue for at least the last 3 months. It doesn't, like I said, have to be profitable, just $10,000 a month minimum. More the better, but $10,000 a month coming into your business bank account as gross revenue for the last at least 3 months. Minimum FICO score is going to be about 600 or higher is what you want to shoot for. Not sure what bureau they actually going to be pulling from, but they will do a soft pull. So this is considered more like a fintech finance company, I should say, that works with several business to business lenders. So you're going to fill out this little application here, and then you're going to put in your business information on the next page, and then you just sign the contract, and then they'll do more than likely do a soft pull to see if you qualify. It's not going to be a hard pull at all. Keep in mind, if you have your personal credit locked at all, then you're going to need to unlock it for them to do a soft pull, but it's not going to be a hard pull. And your rep that you get assigned with National Business Capital will walk you through the whole process as well. And they might even give you advice on what you need to do if you do not qualify. They'll tell you what you may need to do to be able to qualify later. And just because you may not qualify today doesn't mean you won't be able to qualify in 30 days from now or 60 or 90 days from now, So they don't just offer business lines of credit. They also offer small business loans where it's a set fixed term loan from 12 months to 24 months, 60 months. And then they have asset-based lending, equipment financing, and hybrid SBA loans, performance advance, which is kind of like invoice factoring. And then they also do cannabis business financing. They offer quite a bit. I would suggest to you guys to fill out the application. I'll have the link in the description below. Try to see what they offer you, what they come back with. At least you kind of know what's going on and what you can get approved for, it's not a hard pull, so you don't have any, risk of getting your personal credit score dinged down any lower from a hard pull at all. So that's all for this video, but I'll be putting out some other videos about business financing and equipment financing here in the coming days. I've just been kind of swamped the last couple of days and haven't felt very good. So anyways, that's all for this video. Please smash the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and make sure that all notifications are turned on. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Don't forget to fill out the application that I'll put in the link in the description below. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. You guys take care. Have a great night or day. Bye.